Hello everybody, welcome back to Total Crypto for another video, guys. And in this video we will be jumping into Catdog because Catdog has hit the floor, gone sideways, and it looks like we may even see a possible 21x move to the upside. That's 2,113% move to the upside. Guys, this could be the floor already. We could be coiling up for that lovely pump to the upside. The question is, how soon are we going to pump up? More importantly, are we going to see that blast off to the upside? Because I reckon in this video, guys, I'm going to show you exactly the reason why I reckon that once we do see volume kicking in, and we then eventually see that blast to the upside, then we should be seeing potentially even a lot more bigger price for Catdog. And if you get in now, then you could be in it for the riches. Anyway, guys, so without further ado, I think you know what time it is, and it's time to strap onto your boots, put on your rocket helmets, and let's get into the video. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. If you haven't checked my last video on Wojak and Success Kid, you go ahead and check it out. But for the meantime, whilst I caught your attention with this video, why don't we get straight into Catdog? Because we are up on a day on 4.38%, and the market cap is back above 3 million at 3.32, and the current price is at 0.00003831. So let's take a closer look at the chart. Alright guys, so we're going to view the Catdog chart from a daily chart. Reason why? Because we can see the entire history of the meme, which will give us a better directional bias in the sense of where we are heading. So as we can see, guys, that we've dropped massively from where we were all the way up here, which is fantastic whenever we see a massive pullback to the ground floor. This area here will be the perfect area in order for us to reaccumulate before we see that blast at least back up to the last all-time highs. Now, at the intro of the video, I've already shown you that we should be expecting anywhere between 20,000 to 21,000% move to the upside. We should be expecting a 2,613% move to the upside, which means that's an easy 26x between now to the last all-time highs. However, guys, now if you've been following my channel long enough, then you would know that if you dollar cost your way in and you hold at least until the last all-time highs, then we should be expecting an even bigger reward than just your 26x. And I'll show you how, which is dead easy, guys. Firstly, I would and adding more positions within Catdog. I've added right here, we didn't quite blast up, which was absolutely fine. But then gone sideways, I've added more. See guys, I stick and I keep to my strategies. I don't deviate away from it. I like to make it nice and simple, transparent, which you all can follow as well. We then continued to go sideways, so we added here, and finally we added there. So that means instead of us expecting a 26x between the current price to the last all-time highs, if we were then to add multiple positions, that means this trade here should give us 915, this trade here should give us 1,336, this trade here should give us 2,159%, whereas this trade here would give us 2,529. And just between all four of my trades, that will then turn into 6,958% move to the upside instead of that 26x just from that one move. Now that is not too shabby, guys, but once we do get back up to these levels right up here, guys, then we should be blasting away to even much more higher and get into a discovery phase. But why don't we change the price into the price versus market cap? So we would need to see the market cap go up to 90 million. We're currently at 3.32. It is still doable because this was the last all-time high areas that we have reached, and we could quite possibly go even much more higher. So let's quickly take a look at the tokenomics, and it looks like they've only got a total supply of 86.86 billion. It's still quite a lot, but end of the day, it's still quite a lot, but end of the day, USD is still quite a lot, but at the end of the day, this is still doable, where we can go even much more higher from here. How much more higher can we go? Well, initially I said between here to there, that's 26x. Potentially we could see maybe 50x or maybe slightly a little bit more. But you let me know in the comment, guys, whether you are bullish on Catdog. If so, you let me know, guys, whether you are holding Catdog too, and if so, how much bags of Catdogs do you have? So why don't we get into the one last token, and then we will be out of here. Now we're going to be looking at Pochita. So we are going to look at Pochita. What a name for a meme. Anyway, the market cap is at 7.54 million. We are down on a day of 7.44%, and the current price is at 0.007524. So let's take a closer look at the chart. Alright guys, as we can see, this is looking pretty bullish in general. We didn't see just a straight move to the upside and a complete capitulation back down to the floor. Instead, after we've gone straight up, we then pull back a little bit, but now it looks like we are literally ranging in this level. And then one thing that I have noticed, which I'm going to show you all, it's the fact that we are going a lower high, higher low. This could be the area where we might go sideways for a little while longer before we see that boom blast to the upside. Either way, guys, this is still looking a very bullish setup. Why don't we do a couple of due diligence first before even considering getting into this meme? Firstly, we need to see a healthy amount of trading history right over here. So we are seeing trades are coming in thick and thin. This trade here from 1 minute ago, I don't know why someone put $1.52. Either way, we can see a series of trades are coming in, which is pretty decent. However, these are from the shrimps, basically your normal, regular, everyday Joes. It's not bad at all, guys, because it shows that people, they are certainly trading this meme. Secondly, we can actually change this into fish. Let's see how many people with $1,000 to $3,000 account has been trading on Catdog. So we can see the last transaction was from 14 minutes ago. Someone put in 1,292. Someone took out 1.3. Could be the same individual. He took out and then reinvested, but we'll check that shortly. But what I'm trying to say is today alone, guys, we're seeing huge volume kicking in for Pochita. So potentially we could see a move back to the last all-time highs. If that is the case, then that means if we take a measuring tool, measure from the current price by measuring up to the body of the candle, that is 128% move to the upside, so you can quite easily double your account size. Otherwise, if you like to measure to the top of the wick, check this out, guys, that is 385% move to the upside. This can still be a pretty decent trade, but yeah, oh, look at that, guys, volume is certainly coming in right now. Okay, guys, so prepare for a lift off, because potentially we could see a lovely move to the upside. However, do we reckon that Pochita could actually rival Nero? And if so, that means we still got quite catching up to do. And on top of that, if we take a look at the tokenomics, it's under, slightly under 1 billion. I could see if there is a huge demand for Pochita and they've got a strong community and they've got a strong social media presence, then quite possibly, guys, we can see 10x away from here at $78 million. If we see 100x, then the market cap will need to reach 786 million. Finally, if we do see a 1000x at 7.8 billion, that is still quite doable. There are multiple memes that reach well over 10 billion. But for Pochita, how high do we really reckon we can go? But only time will tell. But anyway, guys, this will be the end of the video. Thank you very much for tuning in. Let me know in the comments whether you are mega bullish on either Pochita. And if you are, let me know down in the comments. Or are you mega bullish on Catdog? Either way, guys, a lot of these memes will in fact do really well during the bull season. The question is, which one will outperform the rest? Anyway, guys, we are here for the long haul and we're in it to win it. Remember, guys, as always, this is not financial advice, just showing exactly what I've been doing for the past several years and using this as a entertainment and also educational purposes. And you do whatever you feel that you are comfortable in doing. And also remember guys, only trade with what you can afford to lose, because in a game of crypto, especially with memes, we can seriously make a ton of money and we can certainly lose it all. Until then guys, trade safely and I'll see you all in the next one.